recording? Okay, Charlie can edit that out. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiffany, the original reseller girl. I'm here with 7 pallets we've just gotten in. Wanted to show you guys kind of what our process is and what we get whenever we get a shipment in. Some things are a little different. I'm no longer 100% on my own. I have partnered with a company to kind of help them and help myself at the same time expand this business. I'd like to introduce you to Tao, probably the smartest person I've ever met in my entire life. Want to show Tao?
Hello.
This is Tao. She's super cute, but she's shy, so I don't know how much you'll get to see of Tao. Yeah, we're gonna just get into it and open this pallet, and I'll show you kind of what it's like when you get a new shipment in. You wanna come a little closer and kind of show them off the top how it comes, what it looks like. Sometimes, you know, we get hangers. Sometimes it's all in plastic. Today it looks like we've got some hangers, but usually it's just kind of thrown in there. It's kind of like going to the bins, but without the smell. So it's a lot easier. And so like some things will come still in the package. So like this was never actually on the shelf. This lot, I think it's mostly fall, winter, you know, your normal everyday brands like Style & Company, Karen Scott. There's some higher end things in here too. Like here's a Free People pair of pants. They're so cute. They're so little. I love seeing anything Free People come out of the lots. And then we have like usually Z racks, or like today I've got this giant rolly rack because we have a lot of product coming out today. So we're gonna be busy for the next 2 months. But it's always fun, and it's always kind of like Christmas whenever we get something new in. And I don't know. And then sometimes you get things like this that don't have tags, and that's not fun. So I think it was a return, which these lots are supposed to be all brand new. So that's a bummer. But let's see if we can get this whole stack. All right, so like they're just, you know, basics, perfect for winter, easy to sell. These are mostly plus size, which is, you know, that one's not, that's cute. So, you know, average sale price we're looking for is probably around 20 for stuff like that. You know, obviously Free People would be a little higher, but there's probably 800 or 900 pieces in this lot. So obviously I can't show you the whole thing or we'd be here all day, but you can see some of it. Usually right up front there's like a couple of super nice things. It looks like all these are just kind of basics. Karen Scott, Karen Scott, Karen Scott. Super cute. I see something Tommy. Oh. It's like a knit suit jacket. And Melissa's holding the camera. She is our lister extraordinaire.
Try to be.
Yeah, she did, how many did you do? 63 before lunch?
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty good. This is Free People. I just whacked myself in the eyeball. It's a dress. Original retail, $148. So, I won't get $148 for it, unfortunately.
That's cute.
What is that one?
This one, I think it's a dress.
Yeah, it is a dress. It's a tailor. See, whenever I'm out thrifting, I see this brand all the time, but like I don't, and it's always super cute, but I don't really pick it up. It's Tailor.
Nice.
How
much does that originally retail for?
You know, it's probably like $79 or so. This one's missing the tag. But resale on it's probably $20, $25.
Not bad.
And honestly, like these brands like Tailor, Styling Company, Karen Scott, there's not a huge difference between pre-owned and new tags on price, so. But, you know, I try to, with the Karen Scott and Styling Company lots, look for things that are mostly plus size, because plus size clothing is, you know, harder to find at the thrift store in good condition. So, like Calvin Klein dress slacks, Highline, those are cute. I also have someone down there shipping, so you can probably hear the tape. And then, like, there's barely even a small dent in this thing.
It's insane.
All right, here's some We the Free. It's been re-tagged. It doesn't have the original tag on it. So there's two schools of thought on this. I can list it as new without tags and just put in the remarks that it's been re-tagged. Or sometimes I just put that it's used, because I really can't look at it and be for sure that it's not been used and returned. And you know, I never want to sell something to someone and be dishonest about it. Okay, these are Free People, but they are horribly ugly. Like,
oh,
it looks like,
okay.
Like, okay, because I have short legs, and when bootcut jeans were really cool, that's what the back of my jeans always look like, because I couldn't find them in my length, the right length. So,
well,
again, I started a style trend back in the day.
Did you?
I'm sure I did. So, wherever I need to go to collect the royalty check for that, somebody let me know in the comments. So, of these 7 lots, 2 of them are all plus size. 1 of them is mostly Free People. And the other 4 are regular size, and I think they're all fall winter.
More
so Melissa,
sweaters.
that means you have to list all of this by the end of next month.
Yay.
You can do it. I have faith.
More sweaters.
Yes.
My favorite.
Which is fabulous for me. Y'all, we're in South Carolina, so like today it's 96 degrees. We typically, I don't even own a coat. Like, there's no need for one. So,
I got rid
yeah.
of mine.
Oh, this is also free. No, it's not. Bar 3. I'm not sure what's going on here.
Is it a...
I think it's a pencil skirt. but it has like that mock wrap with the flat thingy. So hopefully there's a matching jacket in here for this.
There's gotta be.
That's usually what we hope for, but what we oftentimes don't get.
You never know what you will find.
Yes.
There's another jacket, bar 3 it looks like.
Yeah. Yeah, this lot had a lot of suits and suit separates. So, yeah, like this one retailed for $139. And it's really soft, super cute. It's like a gingham check, mock collar.
Fancy.
Fancy. That's so fancy.
Fancy schmancy.
Okay, we literally have like so many of the same sweater in every size possible. But it's super cute. It's got like a bell sleeve with like a really thick knit cuff.
It'll keep you warm.
And a rounded hemline. Yeah, it's a great basic piece. Would be super cute with like a plaid scarf. If we could wear sweaters here. But we can't. William Rast, which is, if I'm not mistaken, it was created by Justin Timberlake and somebody else who I don't know. But I do know Justin Timberlake. He came out when I was young.
Then we also have some more pallets back here too. See it. And 2 more over here.
Yeah. And more winter sweaters. So, you know, if you kind of want to see all this stuff, we have, I think right now, 1,200 listings. You can find us on eBay at Bookish Bunny Fashion, or on Poshmark at Bookish Bunny. That's BOOKISH BUNNY. Just mention that you found us on YouTube, and we'll give you a great deal. So, that's just kind of gives you a gist of what comes in these pallets. This one is kind of uneventful so far. So. It's always nice whenever I open one and it's all like plus size Michael Kors, and because those are the things I want to hurry up and get listed like quickly, because I know they're gonna sell fast. Then whenever we try to list like one pallet, like the whole thing at a time, so we can kind of keep track of inventory. And you can always tell what my favorite pieces are, because those are the pieces that go up first. And then like the more boring things, which is what we're listing right now,
sweaters,
is the stuff that's at the end. So like our second palette we're finishing up right now, and it's all like gray and sad.
Blah.
Which, still cute stuff. It's just, it's not like, it didn't retail for $400. And I love these little Style & Company printed tops. They're fun. But we also get a lot of these that are like Lucky Brand. And honestly, I can't, outside of the tag, I can't tell the difference. And this one's like half the price. So, yeah. But that's kind of it. I think I'll make a video next on maybe our listing process, and kind of show you guys how, in the morning, Melissa can list 60 items in 4 hours. So, that would probably help some people out.
Behind the scenes.
Yeah, behind the scenes, kind of introduce you to everybody who's here, and if everybody will be on camera. I don't know. Melissa may or may not want to.
You never know.
Yeah. But that, and maybe I don't want you to see her face so that you guys can't try to scope her from me, because she's like the best lister ever in the world.
Oh, shucks.
Alright guys, but for now, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know if you have any special requests for future videos. Also leave that in the comment section. Until next time guys, bye bye.